Kia ora, I'm Mary Jo, Kiwibank economist. Household spending has held up really well since the lockdown ended last year. We were always expecting a surge in spending once the restrictions were relaxed, but we've been pleasantly surprised to see how this momentum in spending has continued. The resilience of Kiwi households, as demonstrated by the strength of their spending behaviour, has been a key driving force for New Zealand's post-lockdown economic recovery. But according to our latest credit and debit card spend data, there are signs that this momentum is beginning to fade. Over the March quarter of this year, our data shows that domestic spend fell by 9%. And this is the first time since the lockdown that spending has fallen. And I think there are a few factors at play here. Firstly, over the initial lockdown period, our spending was limited to essential items only. So naturally, many of us built up a nest of savings. But since coming out of lockdown and catching up on spending, these lockdown savings may now have been run down, and that may have prompted this pullback in spending. Secondly, the March quarter also captured the two snap lockdowns Auckland faced in February. Although we've learned to work and live through various alert levels, economic activity is unavoidably disrupted when social distancing measures are tightened, and spending is directly impacted, particularly within the service industries. Lastly, and although it may be too early to tell for sure, the decline in spending may be signalling that some have begun planning for overseas travel and started saving it once again, especially with this talk around the Trans-Tasman travel bubble, which, in a positive development, will commence from April 19. Over the past year, we've witnessed a strong increase in domestic tourism, and that's helped keep many pockets of our tourism sector still running. But what our tourism sector needs are the high-value international tourists who come in and spend not just on the weekends and the public holidays. Overall, spending has been down over the March quarter, but hopefully that will pick up in the next few quarters.